What's going on, everyone? Got a 2024 Lexus TX 350. Today we're going to be resetting two of the maintenance reminders this car has. Scheduled maintenance and oil maintenance will pop up on the dash, okay? Now I'm sorry if the screen over here is blinking like crazy the way these new LEDs are. The cameras just don't like them. If I try to focus kind of away from it, it'll stop blinking, but we're going to have to go to the radio to do this. So I'm going to try to film it a little bit far away so it doesn't do it so bad. All right, but what you're gonna do first, you need to hit the gear symbol here, which is the settings symbol. And then we are looking for vehicle customize. All right, look away a little bit. And then you're gonna go to utility. And right here at the bottom, you can see that it says scheduled maintenance and oil maintenance. Now what we're gonna do is just click oil maintenance. If you wanna reset, hit yes. Hit reset. Same thing with scheduled maintenance. Sorry about the blinking, it's terrible. And that's it. Hope the video helped you out, and if it did, appreciate if you hit that like button for me. Leave me a comment if this worked out for you, and hope to see you again in another video.